Today's video will focus on the most requested topic in the comments of my last video, the easiest and safest method to earn money using the YimMenuV2. I will begin by stating that for at least one of these methods, you will need an arcade or a facility, as these are key locations we are going to utilize. Please start by opening your menu. Once there, navigate to Recovery, ensure this option is enabled, then go to Heist and select Diamond. We'll set the approach to Hard, Diamonds, and Silent, and it does not significantly matter which options you choose. You will then remove the gunman, remove the driver, and remove the hacker before selecting Setup. Once this is completed, proceed to your arcade. Now you should proceed to use the final board. Confirm and press play. The mission should now begin. You are going to open the menu. Navigate to the Recovery section and then to the Heist section. Scroll down and select Insta Finish. The heist should then be completed and award you all the money. Moving on to our second method. You will open the menu, navigate to Recovery, then to Heist, followed by Doomsday Heist. Select the heist and choose the Doomsday scenario. Proceed by clicking on Setup. Once this is completed, go to your facility. Upon arrival, enter the area where you typically begin the heist. Please ensure that the option to play all missions solo remains enabled. This procedure is somewhat unusual because you cannot commence directly at this point. Therefore, you should open the menu, navigate to the Recovery section, and select Force Ready. Click on Ready to Play, which should place you into the heist. When the mission began, open the menu again, navigate to Recovery, select Heist, and choose Instant Finish Act 3. At this point, it should indicate that the heist has been successfully completed. Please note that occasionally, the YimMenuV2 may result in an infinite black screen or loading screen after performing such actions. To resolve this, simply go to the network settings, set it to invite only, and then select Join. Moving on to our next method. On your keyboard hit Windows plus R, type %appdata%, then click OK. Open YimMenuV2 folder, script, then drag and drop your Lua script. In this tutorial we'll use CEO and Hanger AutoSource cargo made by Zafram.203. Once done, reload your game, hit the Insert key to open the menu, then navigate to Setting, Lua Scripts. This box is where your installed script will appear. Double-click to load it. Then proceed to either an arcade or a hangar and sell the cargo.